So let's draw Hello Kitty again.
Yes.
But she's wearing a jacket with her headphones.
Okay. You love it? You love music?
Yeah.
Okay, this is for you. This is a cool Hello Kitty.
That is a cool Hello Kitty.
Okay, I'm going to draw the whiskers and then the headphone. This is a cool headphone.
Yeah.
This is a cool Hello Kitty too. So guys, if you find the video so fast, you can pause it so that you can follow the drawing.
Guys, if you subscribe some of our videos, tell us in the comments. Or if you don't, then we'll give you another chance.
Please subscribe because we have so many Hello Kitty easy to follow colorings and also drawings.
And we have another video called Hello Kitty videos. Only 9 that a video with 9 videos of Hello Kitty.
Okay.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Just check it out.
We are adding more videos every other day because my daughter is always making so many drawings and she want to have some Hello Kitty drawings every time.
Yeah, and we do some new characters that you never seen before very soon.
Yeah, maybe we will do Kurami.
Or Sonic.
Yeah.
From that movie from the movie. Oh guys, did you watch the Sonic movie? Let me know in the comments.
Yeah.
And we will heart you because we never have comments.
Okay. She has blue short.
Yeah?
And purple sweater or sweatshirt.
That reminds me something.
Yeah.
Like the shows with the girl has a bear. I don't know what it's about. But guys, you know that character? It's so it's a girl with a swim jacket with like the same thing, but she's wearing a dress, same color like that, and has a bear. That it came out to YouTube Kids. I was younger.
Okay, we're coloring the shoes with red.
Yeah.
And laces with purple.
Pregnant Knuckles from the Sonic movie.
Great color combination. You can follow along, guys. It's so easy to draw.
Yeah, it's so easy.
Especially if you love Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
Now we're making some notes. You can add different kind of notes and strokes.
Lines a word lines beside the notes. So it's for actually practicing some violins.
Yeah, Alec is practicing violin.
Okay, now goodbye, guys. See you on our next channel. Make sure you subscribe.
Bye bye.